Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog Trading video. Tonight's video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Cardano, Solana, Shiba, and Avalanche in that order. First, we're going to start here on the Bitcoin daily chart. Each candle represents one day. And this is my dirty chart, guys. This is my ugly chart. This is my Coinbase chart. I just want to show you guys an example of the difference from Coinbase to Binance, the prices, how things work. The different levels I have. These are my lower levels right here, guys. You guys can pause this video and check them out for the downside. But you can see on my Coinbase chart, we nailed all these, and we were using Coinbase for a while. We had this trend. We even had these rejection area, my blue box right up here. We even had this last move where we nailed the target perfect. I mean, to the dollar, just like we always do. And I actually had this down right here perfectly at this 37,560 mark on a fib. And currently we are getting a bounce right there. So let's see if that holds up. This is kind of ugly, guys. I'm not going to lie to you. The daily's kind of looking ugly. We're going to go to some of our indicators here. And then I'm going to go to the Binance chart. And you guys can see the difference in price just on Binance. You can see the difference in style of trading you would have to do for the price difference. At one point, just a minute ago before I started doing this video, there was almost like a $200 difference between Binance and Coinbase. So I know some people will complain about some of the fees on Coinbase. But then you go to Binance. I mean, and right now, even right now, it's what, a $40 or $50, no, $60 difference in price. So there's a lot of things you got to consider. If you guys are going to trade on Coinbase, use a Coinbase chart. If you're going to trade on Binance, use the Binance chart. Okay. So right now we're on the daily. Let's see what we got. Well, on this chart, we have our triangle. You can see it. I drew it in red. Boom, boom, right here. Forget all these fibs for right now. These are just the moves that we just kept nailing over and over and over again. But it's still the same thing, guys. We want to see some kind of, you know, actually, I was always talking about this 39,600. I would like to move that up just a little bit and get above this area right about here. I want to see above 41,000 on a daily. We can mark that off right now. Any kind of closure above this $41,000 area on a higher term time frame, and then maybe we could push up to this 42,600. And then my area of concern that we've been talking about for a while now, anywhere from 45,830 down to 42,850. This area is a big area, guys. If we could clear that area and get some kind of higher term time frame, a 12-hour, daily, anything in that nature, yeah, then we could push up to these higher targets, 52. And look, I think, what do I have on Coinbase? Coinbase, we have, let's see, is it the same thing? Yeah, I mean, look at these targets, guys. They all line up pretty much the same. We have 45,830, and then we also have this 44 mark up here, this 44,900. But yeah, I want to see those targets getting met. I want to see those that being closed on. And see, on Coinbase, guys, we already fell down in the trend. So first thing is on Coinbase, especially, I want to see us get back above this 39,000 on a daily candle close. That would look bullish to get back up into this pattern. But we're going to trade off the Binance chart just because it's a little bit cleaner. And we have my buy area here. It's pretty easy to look at. We bought here, boom, nice gain. We sold here, bought here, sold here. I mean, it's pretty easy. Now we had our resistance area all up in here. We broke it. We hit our fib. We talked about this as being our selling point. So that was an easy trade. We even drew our trend line right here that we broke. You can see it right here in red. You can see where I drew this trend line to break down. Okay, so the white, if we broke this, we would look for a downside move, which we hit perfect. Then we have this trend here to the upside. We crushed it on all these trades, guys. This was all easy money. Now what I want to see is on a higher term time frame. Well, let's look at if there's a short term move. So we're going to look at the hourly. Well, the hourly, it's like we had this little spike here. What do we have? Well, we do have some hidden bullish divergence. I would like to see the stochastic start to flip up And it will above 38,900. So that's a nice area of concern. I also want to see this area or the I'm sorry, this area. Well, I want to see us get out of this bearish control zone too. That would look nice as well. And I want to see these moving averages actually turn, because you guys can see here when we do this. Okay, we're gonna mark here. Wait, come on, mark here on one, mark here. Okay. Usually when these break, even right here, so you can see when we drew our last three lines there, we're just going to see what we got. Okay. Move to the upside, move to the upside. So yeah, we get moves usually when we do, but God, I mean, geez, guys, this hourly candle is looking, it is very, very awkward right now, and there's only 18 minutes left. We just had the weekly close as well. And now it's looking very ugly. I don't like how this is turning around on us, guys. Um, we'll see how this plays out. But, in 17 minutes, this could go green and this thing could look good again. But right now, yeah, see, there we go. So we'll have to come back to that. I just wanted to show you the differences in charts. And we also have this, guys, you go to templates and you go to MAEXP ribbon, and that's how you get these ribbons. And you can see what happens. This is on the hourly chart, but you can see what happens when we flip, guys. We make huge moves to the upside, and Bitcoin runs the market. Look at that. That's a 54% gain on a daily. So we definitely want to see this flip. We want to see this purple line flip. That's the key. You see it right here. Boom, flip. And then we got a little rejection, a bounce, and then right back above it again, and then right up to the upside. So I'm looking for that to hold on some kind of maybe a 5 day or even a 3 day would probably do it for me. No, I would want to see a 5 day. 5 day close above here, get this thing to flip, and then maybe we could see a big move to the upside. But let's go to the shorter term time frames on the hourly chart. Well, you can see where we got rejected here. Now we just want to get back above that. And currently that's around 38,500 area. If we can get some kind of, let's say 6 hour or 4 hour above that area, then maybe we could push back up to this 39,200 area. And that would be the area I'd look for. And then maybe if we have a good day tomorrow, we can get back up to this 40. But currently, we are showing that hidden bullish divergence. We're seeing some things move up on the MACD on the hourly. It won't flip to the upside until we get above 38,200. And on the daily, what do we have? Around that 38,900. So 38,900, which we have here as our fib too. That's a key area. We want to see some kind of higher term time frame. Let's say a 6 or 12. Maybe a 6 will do it. But I like to see the 12 or the daily get above there and then really test this moving average right here coming in, which is our 20 EMA. Right? Is that right? Yeah. That's our 20 EMA at the bottom, okay? So that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. Let's move on to Ethereum. Guys, we're in my buy zone. We got a nice little hidden divergence right here. You could see it right here. So what happens is, boom, you see our arrow, we mark it, and then the very next candle, boom, up to the upside, okay? Um, I even have a little. I mean, this really doesn't. Well, it did work here and it did work here, I guess. All this does is really tell me where the divergence is on the chart, but you could see it right down here. I like to use the RSI mainly as my main tool, and then once we flip and we get that stochastic going as well with the momentum going to the upside right here. Yeah, we could see something nice on Ethereum. We could see a bounce. The MACD will cross on the 1 hour above 25.34. Now, guys, I'm talking about short-term trades right now. This is not anything long-term. Long-term, look at all this sideways movement we had all weekend long. I mean, it was just disgusting. It was boring. I didn't even do a video. How much time do we have up? We're 10 minutes in. Okay. Oh, wait, is this my Coinbase chart? See, Coinbase, I nailed it perfect. We had this line perfect down here. But anyways, it was so boring, guys, that there was really nothing for me to talk about here. I mean, look at all this sideways movement. Just nothing. Just absolute crap. Okay, so I didn't do a video Friday because there was no action. I didn't do a video Saturday. I'm doing a video now because we're finally seeing at least some kind of action to the downside. Maybe we get a bounce here. I'm looking for a bounce here. I believe last time I checked, the futures were green, but that could change at any moment. But let's see what happens here, guys. What do we like to see? Well, we had this nasty little rejection right here, and I have some I have some volume here. Let's see where the volume is coming in, just short on these short-term candles right here, just from here to here. Uh, what's going on here? There we go. From here to here. Let's see if we what kind of volume we're seeing just on these four candles right here. Okay, so point of control is coming in right around 25.16. So let's see if that area holds up. If that area holds up, because that's where the most volume is, if we can get back above this 40, 25, 45 area, which was the high of the day so far, and get some kind of closure above there, then yeah, we could push up here to this 24.74 area. What do I have on a fib here? Oh, I just moved some. What do I have? 25.65. How did I get that? Let's look. Let's look what I did. See, I took a high here. No, that's not where I did it. So yeah, I would be no. That's where I got this candle, this high from the previous high. No, I couldn't have, because then it would have been right up here. You know what? I'm looking for 25.73. Looks even better, guys. To be honest with you. So let's get above this candle right here. That was our ugly candle, ugly duckling. The elephant in the room, however you want to call it. If we can do that, break this moving average, and then yeah, I would like to see more upside on Ethereum. But right now, I think maybe we can get a little bounce here. Let's go to Matic. Nailed it, perfect, guys. What else do you want me to say? We had 135, and boom, 135. What can I say? Yeah, we talked about that area, anywhere from 135, getting a bounce here. So let's see if that holds up. If not, and we get a higher term time frame under that area, then I'd be looking at this 131. Okay, look, we had our rejection, guys. Look, I haven't made a video. This is unbelievable, guys. I haven't made a video since Friday, right? Or no, Thursday. Guys, look what happened. Yesterday hit my fib. All the look at hit our target to the upside here. All of our targets that we talk about. I tell you things 2 days ahead of time. We are predicting the future on my channel as we go. This is a new channel, guys. I haven't had it hasn't even been a year. This has only been around for about 8 months now. Make sure you guys sub, hit the bell, hit the all. Show me some love. Make sure you guys like the video, because what we're doing here is absolutely incredible. I'm doing videos, and there's no point for me to do the videos if we're already talking about the targets. But I do them throughout the week, guys. I usually take the weekend off, unless there's some major news or big moves happening. Then I'll jump on. I'll do a video for you guys. But if I don't see anything interesting to trade, then there's no reason for me to do it. I like to do it Sunday, Monday, Sunday through Friday. Usually Friday was boring, so I didn't do it. But that's when I usually do my videos. Okay. So Matic, what do we want to see? Let's see if the 135 holds up, or even 134. We don't want to see anything under 134 in a higher time frame. If we do, then we could see that 131, and let's see if that holds up. And we want to get past this 142 on a higher time frame. A 6 hour, a 12 hour would be nice, or even a daily. If that happens, yeah, then we could push up to this 147, and then maybe push up to this 153, 152 area. Cardano, same thing. What do we have? Let's see. I had 178. I'm sorry. We had 78 cents. We wanted to see hold. Look at that. 78 cents. All right. 77.8. Okay. Is that what we had? What do we have? 78.5. Okay. So, but yeah, we still haven't got a candle closing under there on a higher time frame. Okay. So look at this. We can wick this. We just don't want to see a candle closing under here and getting rejected and coming down, guys. How much time do I have left? 15 minutes? Okay. So we can wick this, but when I say I don't want to see any kind of higher term time frame closing under 78.5 doesn't mean get scared when you see a wick. That means if you see a daily or a 12-hour closing under there, which we never got, guys. We got a wick even on a 12-hour, but we never got a daily or a 12-hour closing under there. And that's what I mean. We could take these two spots at 77.8 and mark that down right there as a springboard. But we had a move to an upside. We had a nice move to 82 on this. Which what do we have in our fib? Let's see, what do we have in our fib area? Where is it? We had 83 on our fib. So you can see where 82 is actually playing a nice role right here. You can see a touch point here, a touch point here. So that actually, that's my spot right there. I'm actually going to get, what did I have on this fib? That was on a bigger fib. Yeah, so we had the 82 to 93. That's a big range. We want to see us break out of this range and get that new high above $1, which I don't know why. I had this, guys. If you guys remember my video, I don't know why it didn't save, even though I refreshed it, but now you guys see it for your own self, okay? To the upside, guys, let's get past 82 on a higher term time frame, and then maybe we could push up to 86 in this 88 area. To the downside, let's just see if that 78 or even 77 holds up on a higher time frame. Solana, guys, we're in my buy zone. I had purple. We had a rejection. We got rejected perfect. I mean, guys, I'm giving you these targets before they're happening. We got rejected perfect. We're in my buy zone. So let's see if 75 holds up. Currently, we're at a low of 78. But let's see if 75 holds up. I want to see a higher term time frame close above 80 or 81. Let's just say 81 because it's so close. And then get back above this 84, 85 area. Let's get rid of this 80. Oh, I like that 86, actually. No, we'll keep that 85. Anywhere from get above this 85 and then push up to this fib, which is coming in around 89 and then 95. And then my main target is that 106 up top there, okay? I want to see that 106 getting broke. All right. Shib, we talked about this, guys. If we broke down under this 2250, that we'd probably see this range right here. I circled it. I drew this up for you like this. So we're probably going to see in this range. And now we're trading in this range. Anywhere from 2,000 to 22.5 or 22.50. I would like to see us get a daily candle closing or a 12-hour above that 22.50 and then get back above this 23.11 area. To the downside, let's see if that 2,000 holds. If not, then we could be trading in this lower range if we get a higher term time frame under that 2,000, anywhere from 17 to 2,000. Okay. Avalanche, guys. We talked about this, though. We talked about this area. We even have it right here, 66, pretty much 67 as the low. But we have this range. This is our range we're concerned about. 64 to 68. We're now playing in that ballpark. Unfortunately, the trend broke. What do I got here? We got a couple minutes to talk about this because it's very important. Our trend broke. So now what are we looking at? Well, I want to see this next daily candle close back above this area, anywhere from, let me get this magnet off. Not stronger. Anywhere from 69 to 70 area. Get a daily or a 12-hour closing out of that. Mainly a daily. I want to see a daily and then holding that on the next candle. So I would like to see a daily candle going up above here, closing, then seeing the next candle hold. Okay. If we can do that, then I would be looking at this 74, 75 range. That would be my next target, and then up to this 80. Okay. So to the downside, let's see if 64 or even this 66 holds up. To the upside, higher turn time frames, we're looking at that 70 and then that 75. Okay. And then to the 80. We talked about this death cross. It's currently happening. It's part of the game. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. Much love to all you guys. Make sure you follow me on Twitter and make sure you sub. Peace out.